Hey everybody, Randall here, and this is my new 15-liter digital ultrasonic cleaner. And I was so impressed with Slade VW's little Harbor Freight model that I decided I wanted a bigger one. And the reason I want a bigger one is I want to do heads. And I got this set of heads. And the valve guides are all good. The valves check out good. They're in great shape, but they're dirty as sin. And I wanted a way to clean them that didn't involve the use of a lot of flammable chemicals. So after seeing the results that Slade got with the carburetor, I had to try one. But I found out one thing about these, and that is you want to be careful with the dimensions, because they will give you the measurement. They said that the cavity is 13 inches, which it is, but the basket's only 11 inches. And they will tell you that they are 6 inches deep, but that's not the working level of the fluid. The working level of the fluid is only 5 inches deep, and then you lose another ½ inch when you put the basket in. But having said that, I think it's still going to work. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this head in here diagonally, do one half of it, and then flip it and do the other half. Now the chemical I've decided to use is super strength mean green. And it's non-corrosive. It says removes tough grease and grime, and it should be fairly gentle on the equipment, and I don't want to etch the aluminum or the magnesium on the heads. So we're going to do this and see what happens. Okay, we're going to pour some mean green in here. I'm not going to do this scientifically. I'm going to use the looks just about right method. Put about a ½ gallon in there, and then I'm going to finish it off with this piping hot water I got from my sink. And I'm going to fill it up to the line in the tub. Now I thought about taking the basket out completely and get the head even more immersed in the water solution. But I think part of the reasoning behind the basket is that it gets it up off of the bottom of the cleaner and gives the ultrasonic waves or vibrations a chance to do their job. So okay, I'm going to turn it on, and it's set for 50 centigrade, which is pretty damn hot, and it's set here for 5 minutes on time. Now I'm going to take it all the way up to 15. Okay, I'm going to turn the heat on, and you can hear the buzz, meaning that it is doing its thing. So, well, we'll come back here in 15 minutes and see what the results are. I don't know if it means anything or not, but you kind of see it bubbling. So, apparently the vibrations are doing something. So, let's run here about 4 minutes. The water temperature slowly increasing up to the 50 centigrade mark, which I probably should have let it heat up and then turned it on, but oh, this is going to see what happens. Always do good. Now you definitely see the vibrations through this hole in the soap bubble, so yeah, it's doing something. Whether it's cleaning or not, that's anybody's guess. find that out once the process is over. Well, all I've got to say is I am extremely impressed with just using a cheap $5 jug of Walmart Simple Green. I mean, now all I got to do is a little pressure washing and this head will almost look like new. Yeah, I'm very impressed with how this works.